Hi everyone! It's my birthday and tonight we're going to be doing some
Pureless Blue Lotus and Seaweed Treatment Sheet Mask.
He's a first timer, so
First timer.
this is going to be fun. Alright, do you want to hold this and you can open the first one?
Okay.
So we cleansed our skin.
We
It's
did.
very clean.
Very thoroughly.
We're going to remove the mask and unfold it.
Okay, I don't even know what's inside this.
A mask.
Like a dead jellyfish. So I reach inside. Oh,
Yes.
not what I expected.
And don't get your dirty fingers all over it.
So then I pull out this nasty, nasty thing. Undo what?
You unfold it
I should totally wash my hands. They're very dirty.
and you'll see holes
Can we do a hand mask next?
that look like a face.
Okay. This is gross. Why do people do this? Okay, I'm getting this face.
Turn around and see.
I'm having a little trouble.
Turn.
Turn. Okay.
Okay.
Still working on it. Okay, I think I got it.
Okay, this way was not a good idea. Let's try this again.
Facing the mirror?
This way.
Facing the camera.
Show.
And then I put it.
Okay. There you go.
Let's see.
Put it on here. Set your head back a little.
Never looked better.
And you push it on your face. Get all those nice, what is it? The blue lotus and white tea. Gorgeous. Oh, he looked good. All right, you hold this and I'll do the other one.
One second. This isn't terribly done. We're gonna do it right. Oh, it's there. Okay. It's like a face transplant.
If you're wondering what it's like to be married, this is it. This is fun.
Beautiful. Never mind. Let me get my hand off the camera. Okay. There she is. Beautiful birthday girl.
It's gonna be glowing.
Absolutely glowing. Okay, you did that a lot faster than I did. My ears are ravishing.
Oh, thank you. I feel like I look pretty good.
Well, you look like you feel good.